I'm Roland. I am the AI lead at Superhuman, where we're building the fastest email experience ever, now powered by AI and multiplayer features.
I'm a huge fan of Superhuman. What got you excited about Superhuman in the first place?
The idea of Superhuman was always to make the fastest email experience ever, but more and more it evolved into this AI-powered assistant. So the ability to summarize emails and draft responses was only the first step, and now we're moving towards agentic steps, and is becoming more and more like a really consumer-focused personal assistant, which is very exciting.
So we're here tonight at Llama-palooza, an event all about fine-tuning and using Llama models in production. What has been your experience with Llama models?
So I started using Llama around the third version launch, and it was always great to kind of have this faster inference than what would be available from, let's say, OpenAI and others. So we designed Ask AI and the upcoming features more towards where can we introduce these like smaller open source models that can do quick decisions. So we've been using open source inference layer to be able to quickly generate these responses in like half a second or faster that contain like reasoning, contain like JSON mode and others. And the new models keep giving more and more. So we are very happy with how the models are evolving.
So you guys are using these LLMs to kind of build an AI assistant within the inbox. Where do you see the future of AI assistants going?
So we currently are focusing on this type of question-answer interactions. We are quickly moving towards asynchronous tasks. So these would be like tasks that may take a few more than 10 seconds. And we would want to kind of design something that acts more like a personal assistant in the background and gets back to you when it's ready, rather than a chatbot interface.
Great, well, thank you so much for your time, Roland, and I hope you had a great evening.
Thanks.